Hey everybody, we just got done drawing Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. This was a request from Bethany from Alberta. And this is mine, this is Finn's. He always beats me, and he ends up drawing such cool stuff around the outside. But we're going to show you how we did it, so let's jump into it. Okay everybody, today we are drawing Stitch from Lilo and Stitch, because the movie's coming out, right?
Wait, what?
The movie, like, there was a cartoon movie, Lilo and Stitch.
Yeah.
And now a live action movie's coming out.
Ah!
I know, it's exciting. I'm excited for it because Lilo and Stitch is one of my favorites. So we're drawing Stitch. This is a request from Bethany from Canada. She requested that we draw this tutorial for her so that she can draw it at home. So let's jump into it. All right, so when we draw Stitch, he kind of has a big head and a little body, but his ears kind of go up high too. So we need to make sure that
we have a lot of space.
We have a lot of space above and a lot of space below. So the head has to be kind of right here, okay? And
like right here?
Yep. And if you want to make sure that you have plenty of space, you could always draw everything that I'm teaching a little bit smaller if you want, okay? So his head looks kind of like a gumdrop, okay?
Yeah.
Or one of those gummy dots. I don't know if you ever ate dots.
I've eaten dots.
Yeah, they're Papa's favorite candy.
I love dots.
Okay, so we're going to start right here, kind of like an oval, but it's kind of flatter on the bottom, okay? It looks like this.
So there's a light right here?
Yep, it goes up like this, and I'm not gonna finish connecting them at the top. I'm gonna leave kind of like a space like that at the top.
I think I'm gonna need a smaller body.
That's okay.
Already?
That's okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, and now we're gonna draw his little hair. Little like that. Perfect. And then now we could draw his ears. His ears kind of start kind of towards the bottom by his cheeks, and they go up high. They look kind of like just little, I don't know, butter knives going out of the side of his face.
Kind of like those kids' butter knives.
Yeah. They go up like this, and then rounded at the top, and then you could put a little divot in like this, and then goes back down. Kind of like a little banana with a little triangle cut out of it.
Look, it's a bird. It's a bird. It's a bird.
It does kind of look like a bird. Okay, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. And then we'll go like this. Up, another banana. And then back down, and then look at a little triangle cut out of his ear. In. Nice. And then now we're going to draw his little mouth. Looks like this. Okay, and now his big nose. Yeah. And now his eyes are kind of like two little almonds as well. They look like this, okay? They go.
Two little almonds.
Mm-hmm.
And we repeated the cat. They're like smaller ovals.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like he has 3 eyes. Creepy Stitch. Cause, my eyes.
Okay. And now we can do the two little shines like this.
Yay.
Right now he kind of looks like a koala, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, and now he has a different color, kind of like dogs have and some cats have. He has a different color of fur around his eyes. So we start right here.
Do you think Stitch is actually a koala?
I don't know, maybe. He is not a koala, I know for sure he is an alien. All right, so now we draw the different color fur right here. So we have to go up like this, and it dips down in between his eyeball and his nose. Up like this, and then it goes between his eyeball and his nose. Oh yeah, you're right, we forgot to do that part, huh? Okay, now we're going to draw his little arms, okay? And they look like long kind of beans, like jelly beans like this. So right underneath his hand, you're going to go a long oval like this. And then like this, another one.
Are these his arms?
Okay, and then his little claws like this. Oop, oop, oop.
Boop, 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 boop.
He has a little tuft of fur right here on his chest. Looks like that. Okay. And now from here, okay, we'll be going down, but we'll kind of, instead of following that line, we'll deviate off to the side just a little bit. So it'll go like that. See that?
Like this.
Same thing on this side. Kind of go off to the side. Perfect. And then we'll draw a, don't draw yet, but go off to the side. Make a circle. And off to the side, make a circle. Yep, perfect. That looks really good. Okay, and then now we'll draw a line from the bottom of the circle over to his hand. Bottom of the circle over to his hand. And then draw a line in between his two hands. And then we'll draw from the top of the circle over to that line, top of this circle, over to that line. And then now we get to draw little bumps, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2,
1,
3,
2,
4,
3,
1,
4.
2, 3, 4.
Yep. And then 2 circles on the inside. And then a little dip like that. So the way that we drew this, okay, makes it look like his feet are coming towards the paper, okay? Called perspective. So it's coming out towards us. Isn't that cool?
You told me about that in my work night.
Yep. I love it. Okay, now let's color him in.
Okay.
All right, and there is our Stitch. I think yours turned out, you always beat me with the coloring, and then you add the coolest stuff while I'm just taking my sweet time.
Oh, and I added Mario.
Oh, nice.
Mario.
Okay, well, we hope that you enjoyed it, and let us know what we should do next, right?
Yep.
Okay, everybody give a thumbs up, and thanks for drawing with us. We'll see you next time.